Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving right into dropshipping secrets for 2025. And it's really all about using Shopify like a pro by targeting hyper niche products, for example, customizable pet collars that really set the stage for
Yeah,
incredible profits.
yep, that's such an intriguing approach. So, starting off with those hyper niche products, it's all about using Shopify's trend analyzer to spot emerging markets, right?
Exactly. And it's like having your own specialized radar that pinpoints exactly what buyers will crave
Hmm.
next. And you see, if you know what's trending, you're already a step ahead.
Absolutely. So, what about finding reliable suppliers? I noticed the strategy involves dipping into AliExpress's new arrivals section via Oberlo, keeping to suppliers with over 4.5-star ratings. That's a neat trick.
Right, that filtering is key. It's like you're sifting through a mountain of options to find those real hidden gems that won't disappoint. And it keeps the
Yay.
supply chain secret and solid.
And speaking of keeping things efficient, the AutoSync with Shopify's Oberlo app is a game changer for speeding up order fulfillment. Orders ship in under 24 hours. That's practically a superpower in dropshipping.
Exactly, and consider mobile optimization. Using a responsive theme like Brooklyn and testing it with Shopify's mobile preview makes a huge difference, knowing that 70% of buyers shop on phones in 2025. It really elevates the
Right.
user experience.
Now, here's one thing I find fascinating: the ad strategy. Running 10 per day TikTok ads using niche hashtags like Dom Eco Living sounds almost too good to be true. Do you think that offers consistent viral potential?
It does, though I have a small reservation. While TikTok is promising, I'd argue that it might not always guarantee viral traction every day, but with the right targeting, it can really give low budget campaigns a lift.
Fair point. Balance is key. And then there's shipping delays. Partnering with local suppliers via Spocket, which cuts delivery times significantly from the traditional 15-30 days. That's a huge boost for customer satisfaction.
For sure, it's like turning a potential weak link into a major strength. Next up, product descriptions. Leveraging AI generated copy with ChatGPT and then adding a Why Choose Us section on Shopify really builds trust. It's smart marketing in action.
And when customers need refunds, automating that process with a custom email offering a future discount keeps the relationship intact, retaining up to 80% of upset buyers.
Absolutely. It's all about turning potential negatives into positives. The holiday sales hack with a Black Friday preview page and waitlist is another cool tactic. Gather those emails early on.
Yeah.
It creates buzz before the big rush.
Then there's keeping an eye on competitors with Shopify's Price Mall app to adjust pricing dynamically. Smart move for staying competitive.
Exactly. It's like having an ever vigilant pricing guardian. Plus, targeting voice search keywords with Shopify's SEO tools, think Best Ecophone Case 2025, opens up untapped traffic streams. Very forward thinking.
And removing friction with a guest checkout option is a brilliant way to reduce cart abandonment by 15%. That's a real conversion booster.
Right, every little tweak matters. Then we've got influencer strategies. Partnering with micro influencers via Shopify collabs offers more engagement than some of the mega options out
Yeah.
there. It's a fresh take on influencer marketing.
Also, testing products without stock using Shopify's Printful integration can be a lifesaver. No upfront costs, and you can gauge customer interest immediately.
Definitely. And to encourage repeat orders, offering a subscribe and save option builds long term loyalty, like, say, with skincare
Right.
bundles. Discounts help keep customers coming back.
Not to forget security, linking Shopify payments to PayPal with two-factor authentication ensures deposits hit safely, especially when you're talking about that 5,321 profit milestone.
Exactly. And adding a visual punch with 360-degree product views created using Canva is a brilliant detail. The boost in click-through rates is tangible. Plus, automating social media with Shopify's buffer integration just saves hours and ups that reach.
And of course, scaling profits by reinvesting 30% of PayPal earnings into top ads via Shopify's analytics, along with joining Shopify's beta group to get early access to cutting-edge tools, really rounds out a full strategy for thriving dropshipping in 2025.